Yep, that was me. I bet you're wondering how I got myself in such a predicament like this. Well, it all started with saying yes to a group ride. Well, welcome back everybody to another Mountain Ridge adventure. We're out here in southern Oregon, a place a little bit closer to the coast, and a new trail to me. I'm back to riding again. I took the summer off. Last that I checked in with you guys, I was recovering from a bicep injury, distal bicep rupture. Shortly after, I decided to break my arm, same arm. So I took some time off, recovering from that. And to be honest with you, I'm still not recovered from that one either. And this ride didn't do any justice for it. I should have took a little bit mellower of a ride. Unfortunately, you'll notice from the progression of this video that there was a lot of obstacles on this trail. So mount here is always on my 2022 Beta Xtrainer. As you guys have noticed, or if you've watched my previous videos, I've made a lot of modifications to this bike to make it a little bit more custom. Everything from an SC2 smart carb, a Beta RR or RE pipe, and a list of other things including custom made suspension. So it's just the perfectly dialed in bike for me personally. It's probably the only reason that I survived this trip. I've ridden a lot of trails. I have a lot of years of riding experience under my belt. But I gotta say that this was probably one of the most difficult trails to negotiate for me personally. The amount of large obstacles, large rocks, and rocks that are the size of a softball and round everywhere and loose that just deflect your front end or your back end left and right, just send you flying into these larger fixed rocks. Just never fun. You can't gather any speed. And still recovering from this arm and wrist injury, my grip strength just isn't there, and you gotta nurse the clutch so often that honestly fatigue set in very quick. And well, it was a challenge, but I never thought I would say in my life that I was excited to find a gravel road.
Sorry guys, I had to move some big rocks and I took 2 nasty wrecks. So I'm really going slow now.
As long as you got them on film.
Yeah. Nope. Fuck.
That's about all I got for you guys on this one. Hopefully you enjoyed the video more than I enjoyed making it. Any rate, I do appreciate you guys watching it, hanging in there. I know it's a little bit longer of a video, but it's fun. I enjoy making these videos. I love going out and riding.
I'm fatigued
And
as
I
fuck.
look forward to making a lot more. So if you guys get a chance, please like, subscribe to it, and I hope that you guys get out there with us one
I'm
day. I
past
hope
the point of
that
worrying about
we
it.
can see you out on the trail. Thanks again for watching.